guys, it's me again, Brianna Watson, and if you're not aware, I am also the book nerd on Anchor FM, Spotify, Google Podcasts, Apple Podcasts, a lot of places. So, as you know, I wasn't quite comfortable with, or should I say, I'm comfortable being in front of a camera, but I've always had to use, webcams themselves, if that makes any sense. Like right now, I'm using my HP all-in-one PC with their built-in webcam. But recently, earlier this week, I got something. And it's this little guy right here. No. It's literally a camcorder. And I am pretty stoked about this. Now, it's made in China, sadly. But it's got a wide lens. It came with a microphone. I bought one with a microphone. See? Extra wide lens. It's got an infrared light right here for nighttime stuff. And always scared. However, I'm still waiting on the tripod. I have a tripod on its way. I'm also waiting. I got some of these little guys. I got two of them. I've got one in here. It's already formatted and everything. But yeah. I really can't wait to test this bad boy out. I'm going to be using this mostly for my streams now. If you don't know, I also have Twitch. I don't stream much because of how laggy my PC gets. However, I'll be using this to record videos because I've got a nice tripod. I'll most likely be doing some parlor beat stuff. But yeah, I'm excited. Now, if you don't know, I had been out of work for, I would say, 2 weeks now, over 2 weeks. It won't be 3 weeks because that would be tomorrow. But yeah, 2 weeks. The first week I was sick. As you know, if you don't follow my YouTube channel for my podcast, because I uploaded the reasons why there. And yeah, so I'm excited to be using this little guy. It came with a lot of stuff. It's not just these 3 items. It also came with a case, the little thing for the macro lens, the wide lens. It also comes with a macro lens. It tells me there, and it should be the smaller one. And not just that, but it came with an HDMI cable that I can plug into here, plug this into a capture card and use it, or I could also plug it in there. It's pretty sick. I might not be using this specifically if I'm streaming and stuff because I've got my Razer microphone right over here. I'm not going to touch it because, my goodness, it's finicky. Very finicky. But yeah. So it came with this as well. I'm so happy with it. But just waiting on that tripod, which is coming later today, so yeah. So yeah, I'm just excited. probably only ever use this if I'm gonna be like downstairs time-lapsing me doing like perler bead stuff or cross-stitching and stuff. Yeah, I got some new camera. I'm so happy. I love it. I've just been messing around with it. Not literally because I just got the SIM cards, but yeah. I hope you guys enjoy this video. And so, I haven't slept at all. That's exactly what happened. I haven't slept. Like, I can tell you straight up that I have to work early tomorrow morning because they decided to give me the early schedules. I hate getting up early. I'm not a morning person by nature. It's just not in my blood to be morning, you know? But got a deal, even though I don't want a deal. So, I'm just not really ready to do that. I really am not. Like, why should I go to work if I'm treated poorly? Toxic work environment is not fun. It drains your mental health. And you just absolutely hate it. 100%. Anyways, that's it for this video. I'm sorry. I was rambling. Hope you guys enjoyed. Love you.